The emerging vehicular networks are important aspect of modern communication paradigm, and the millimeter wave communication is expected to be the backbone of these vehicular networks. Therefore, it is important to analyze the safety and security of millimeter wave communication system in the context of the vehicular networks. Hi, I'm Karthik, and today I'm presenting our recent work on physical layer security of millimeter wave communication system. In this video, I'll describe an attack on millimeter wave vehicular network, and then I propose a defense technique that is applicable to any general millimeter wave communication system. Please refer to the link given in the description below for the draft of our manuscript. It is established that millimeter wave communication requires directional beamforming where signals are transmitted along the directions of the target receiver. This provides resilience against many physical layer attacks as it reduces the transmission along unintended directions. But the directional beam patterns are not always perfect. High power consumptions with fully digital arrays constrains the millimeter wave antennas to be analog or hybrid arrays. And these arrays uses low resolution phase shifters to limit the hardware complexity. Unfortunately, these design constraints introduce energy leakage which can be captured by adversaries. Such signal capturing by adversaries can be disastrous for millimeter wave networks because these central nodes in millimeter wave networks are expected to provide side information to the receivers, which is used to make autonomous decisions at the receiver. The adversary can listen in, record these messages, and retransmit them after a few seconds. This delayed transmission can confuse the vehicular system. Note that this described eavesdropping attack can be lethal even with encryption techniques at higher level. In this work, we designed one such attack on vehicular network using a mobile eavesdropper such as a drone. Given the known trajectories of the vehicles, the attackers can optimize its path to minimize the secrecy rate of the communication system. To defend against such eavesdropping attacks, one promising approach is to use directional modulation based beamforming. This approach modifies the beamformer at each symbol such that the communication with target receiver is maintained while signal along other directions is corrupted. This means that eavesdropper essentially receives scrambled symbols. As a result, even after recording and retransmitting the message, it does not really mean anything to the target receiver. Unfortunately, the existing techniques that use this approach are designed for ideal analog arrays with high resolution phase shifters. And not only that, they also degrade the communication performance at the target receiver. So instead, we designed a new directional modulation based defense that is meant for low resolution phased arrays and that also does not affect the communication at the target receiver. Our defense technique, called circulant shift based beamforming, applies random circulant shift of the beamformer at each symbol. The circular shifts of a beamformer induce different phase changes along different directions. This is essentially same as modifying the constellation differently along different directions. For example, in the figure, at every step of the circular shift, the constellation observed at the eavesdropper varies for a fixed constellation at the receiver. Since the transmitter knows the number of steps of the circular shift, the transmitter can adjust the phase of the transmitted symbol such that the symbols received at the intended receiver are not corrupted, but the phase of the symbol observed along any other direction is still corrupted. By randomizing the number of circular shifts at each symbol, the transmitter essentially induces artificial phase noise along all directions other than the target receiver. In the paper, we also characterize the statistical properties of this artificial phase noise along on-grid directions and show that it is not possible to perfectly decode the received symbols along almost all on-grid directions. To describe the implementation of this technique, we take the packet of IEEE 802.11ad protocol as an example. The transmitter can transmit training sequences as usual without any changes in the beamformer. This allows the eavesdropper and the receiver to estimate and correct the channel impairments. But at each data symbol, the beamformer is circulantly shifted by a random number of steps and the transmitter transmits the corresponding phase adjusted data symbol. So at the eavesdropper, even with all channel impairments are corrected, the received data symbols cannot be decoded because it does not know the steps of the circulant shifts. An important requirement for this approach is that the transmitter requires predictable change of the phase for each shift in the beamformer along all the directions, because transmitter is expected to correct the phase of symbols along the directions of the target user. In this work, we validate this requirement using millimeter wave testbed. That our millimeter wave testbed consists of the phased arrays and USRPs as shown in this figure. We experimentally show that circular shifts induce different phase shifts along different directions. Furthermore, the phase shifts are predictable with known number of circular shifts. Important requirement in this experiment is to minimize the phase error before and after circularly shifting the beamformer. To accurately measure the phase change due to circular shifts, any interruptions during packet reception is avoided because it introduces phase noise that cannot be corrected. To this end, we design our experiment by separating the receive operation and circular shifting of the beamformer. Specifically, the transmitter transmits the training sequence and only training sequence, and receiver receives the packets without any interruptions. An external program periodically applies beamformers by alternating between a beamformer and its m-step circular shift within the same packet. By measuring the sudden changes in the phase offset of the received symbols, we can estimate the phase change due to circular shifts of the beamformer. Finally, to summarize, in this work, we have three main contributions. We design an attack on millimeter wave vehicular network that finds the optimal path for mobile eavesdroppers that minimizes the security of the millimeter wave network. We then design a circular shift based beamforming to defend against eavesdropping attack for a general millimeter wave network. This method induces artificial phase noise in all unintended directions without significantly affecting the receiver. We also experimentally verified the main underlying idea of this defense mechanism using a millimeter wave testbed. For more details, please refer to the draft given at the link in the description below. Thank you.